Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a Qigong, which is mainly used to strengthen up your physical strength, and not only that, your flexibility also. If you are a new beginner in the martial art world, then you can start with this practice to grow your physical strength, especially your hand and your leg strength, which is very important in martial art. So without wasting your time, here we go. Remember, you have to perform this exercise slow and easy. First, breathing exercise. Breathe in and breathe out. 2 times or more times, your choice. Now spread your hands in front of you and think you are grabbing something between your hands and hold at least 10 seconds. Now take your hands close to your chest and spread them in both sides. And hold 10 seconds. Again, take your 2 hands up and place them in this position. Again, hold 10 seconds. Now take your hands down, slowly and easy. Stretch back and take your opposite hand in this form. Take your hand in the upper of your head and look at the position of my hand. And now take your hand slowly and easy. Again, stretch back and hold your hand in this form and think stopping the rays of sun and watching the sky. In these both positions, keep your breathing normal. Remember this, do not stop your breathing in any moment or any step. Now cross your hands and spread your legs and your hands in this form. Grab your fist and take your body slight backward and twist and try to see what is in your other side or side. Now look at the hand. Now look at the position of my hands. Your 2 hands will be in fist position. Again, go back to the same stance or same position. Again, perform it. And now breathe in and breathe out, and come back to the normal position. Okay, perform the same move in the other side. Take your hand up from your front. Take them behind of your arms and perform the tiger claw. And spread them forward. And think you are going to grab something. And look at the position of my back. Your back will be straight. And your legs also will be straight. Do not bend your legs. Close your two palms in this form. Take them up slowly and easy. Take your breathing normal and release. Take your two hands in this position. One hand is the back of your head and other is your back. See carefully. You need to stretch your body slight. Just I am doing. And now try to touch your knee with your elbow. Now come back and then look at the other side and stretch back and think you are relaxing in a easy chair. Again, change your side and try to see what is in your back. If you cannot perform this, then do as much as you can. Do not give your body too much pressure. You need to perform the same move in the other side. Let's go to the next one. Cross your two hands and spread them in both sides, just in this form, and take them again down. When you take your hands down, then you have to take your body slide down every time. Perform this step 3 times. And at the end, come back in the first form and end with breathing. Again. Cross your two hands and spread them just I am doing in this video. Take them in two sides of your body. Now start with your right hand. Take your hand up just I am doing and think you are seeing a shooting star. Grab your fist and come in the first form. Now perform this exercise in the other side. Okay, when you are done, then you know that end with breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Now cross your two hands and turn right side. Spread your two hands from your two sides. Bend your body slight and perform tiger claw. Now go down in this form. Now this exercise is mainly for fingers. Press your body slightly on your finger and your legs will be on your feet. Okay, again spread your two hands from your two sides, take them behind of your head and joint your fingers crossly. Take your head as much as you can in near of your knee, but if it is starting hard for you, then you can just take them and stand in normal. Now again take your two hands up, close your palms and calm down. Now look at very carefully. You have to stretch your body just in this form. Do not move your legs. And this is the final exercise. So this is it guys, this is the complete demonstration of this Qigong. Now if you are a new beginner, then this exercise will help you a lot to strengthen up your muscle power and also grow your flexibility. Now if you are an intermediate student, then you can maintain your flexibility and body strength with this exercise. At the end, I am telling you the same thing. Do not stop your breathing and do not give your body too much pressure. Do as much as you can and you can see the result day by day. So do not rush, okay? Now keep practicing and I will meet you in next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay strong. Bye.